helping out the Bahamas. From raising money to collecting items. 8 Bluffton-area schools have teamed up for Operation Bahamian Sunshine. The schools decided to join forces, hoping to better help people in the Bahamas affected by Hurricane Dorian.
I thought, well, let's just do this as a cluster. Let's challenge the cluster to see if they want to participate, so it'd make a bigger impact for everybody, and we could provide more services and funds and donations to those families in great need.
On Monday, kids at Okatee Elementary School were feeling super as they helped those in need. Students and teachers donated money to dress up like the Hulk, Supergirl, and other superheroes.
I feel really sad for those people because they lost their homes and probably family and friends.
The hurricane basically destroyed the island, and it's like, I think it's really important because if we send money, maybe they could build new homes, buy new clothes, buy new shoes, and important stuff like that.
Bluffton Middle School is collecting money. Students say they were amazed to see the damage to the island and hope the money they're raising will help people rebuild their homes.
It was very surreal. Like, you saw like all the devastation and what happened when the hurricane hit there, and you saw, like, you could see the videos of people crying for help and like that kind of stuff.
They really are in a bad state. Like, they need a lot of money to help with food and to build back their homes and their families.
Red Cedar Elementary School is collecting items to send to the Bahamas. Families have been dropping off baby supplies, canned foods, and more.
Like, whatever they have is gone and they don't have any food or anything, so it's really important to donate because when they evacuated their house, they still had some food, but all that food is not good anymore, so we donated some things.
Because they don't have no food because it hit them and all the food is not good anymore, so they can't eat it or they will get sick. So they need new food to eat that food.
The Category 5 hurricane hit the Bahamas about 2 weeks ago. For the Beaufort County School District, Ron Lopes.